Hey, Mike Brailsford, Brailsford Woodworks. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to turn a piece of cherry that's been sitting around. It was a Yoshino cherry I had in my last house, and I cannot tell a lie, I cut it down. So I'm going to turn this piece. It's kind of a chunky, very ugly looking piece the way it is. Hopefully I'll get something out of it. But I'm going to try to turn it into a small vase. So here we go. I actually think this is going to lend itself to a little bit of epoxy, so I'm going to take it off and tape a form around it and fill this baby up. So let me get that done. Alright, so I finished my casting. It had a bit of a leak, came out the bottom. I'm not 100% sure this would have gotten as far as I wanted. Maybe. I mean, it leaked on the bottom, but not a ton. I think I'm going to go with this. Let me get off this tape. get it over onto the lathe. I hate when that happens. and I've got it sanded to 2000 grit. Now just put some wax on it. Alright, let's get it off of here and take a look. It's a weird little vase made out of a spalted piece of cherry. This was an area where a limb had been cut off, and it hadn't grown back evenly and didn't know what to do, so I filled it with some epoxy. The epoxy also got all the way up into the cracks here, actually filled in pretty good. And there was a ring of it on the top, and I'm like, I could cut it off, but what the heck, let's leave it. So we got a little bit there as well. Got a little thin on this side, but gotta take the good with the bad, I guess, or the bad with the good. Overall, I'm not too unhappy with it. Looks okay. Alright, so again, this is it, my weird little vase. You know, the shape kind of just came to me as I was going along with it. Who knows, maybe in the future I'll make a little lid for it and change it into a weird little box instead. But at any rate, that's all I have for today. Please look at my, come to my site, my channel on Saturday. This Saturday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to do a live turning. Please be there. I'd love to see you. And take a look at some of my other content you'll see around me. I'd appreciate that. Please click like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that as well. And please all stay safe. Bye-bye.